Hello everyone, my name is Oki Saputra, NIM 03201072. I will be the narrator of today's presentation. Introduce my colleague. The first is Erlangga. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you. I want to introduce myself. My name is Karin Erlangga, and my study number are 0922, and I'm from Naval Architecture. Next.
Thank you, Karin Erlangga. And then Jonas Binaro. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Yones Saputra Ginanru Panggabean. My name is 0392. I'm from Mechanical Engineering.
Thank you, Genaro. Okay, let's start with the first text. I will be explaining the text. From a number of recent studies, it's clear that blind people can appreciate that the use of outline and point of view and describe the arrangement of the object and other surface in space. But images are more than just literally representation. This fact caught my attention dramatically. When being blinded, the woman in one of my investigation decided on her own initiative to draw a spinning wheel. To demonstrate this motion, he traced the curve in the circle. I was dumbfounded. Line of motion like the one he used were the last invention in the history of illustration. Indeed, as the art scholar David Kanzel noted, Wilhelm Busch, the trendsetting 19th century cartoonist, used word without a line motion in his popular figure until about 1877. When I asked several other blind study subjects to draw a spinning wheel, one very clever translation came up over and over again. Several subjects saw the spoke of the wheel as curved line. We asked about this curve. They all described it's a metaphorical way of suggesting movement. The majority of rules argue that this device somehow exhibits movement very well, but it is better indicator that say a dash or wavy lines or some other type of line for that matter. The answer is not clear. So decided to test whether various lines of motion were an appropriate way of showing movement or if they were just a specific sign. In fact, I wanted to know if there is a difference in how the blind and onlooker interpret the line of motion. To find this answer, I drew a embossed outline of a line different wheel, the, the, depicting the spoke with curved bend, wave, dotted line extending the perimeter of the wheel. And then I asked 18 blind volunteers to feel the wheel and assign one of the following movement to each wheel: sway, turn fast, turn steadily, jerk, or brake. My control group consisted of 18 undergraduate physicians from the University of Toronto. All but one blind subject gave a different movement to each wheel. Most guessed that the curve radius indicates that the wheel is turning steadily. It was spoke, they thought, indicating that the wheel was wobbly, and bent spoke are taken as sign that the wheel is jerking. The subject assumed that the spoke exceed the circumference of the wheel, indicating that the wheel has brake, and the spoke indicate that the wheel is turning rapidly. Moreover, the preferred description for the layman is preferred description for the blind in every way. What's more, the consensus among those who seem almost non-existent was higher than the blind, since the devices of the motion are not recognized by the blind. And the text I gave the involved some problem. Solving in turnout, however, that the blind people do not just search for meaning for each line or motion, but as a group, they usually come up with the same meaning at least as often as the subject can see. The note that we can take from the text is it is written that in here that there is way for blind people who can see the world with their pair of eyes to perceive something aside from hearing, they can touch and feel. This can make them perceive the world in their own way. By this I mean that this can help them perceive something inside a space as an outline or a line or curve, etc. And just as simple as they can tell the current condition of a certain matter. It is it spinning? What does it do? What does it describe? This is a simple visual that engraved to something can tell them information that their eye can't see. Okay, that's all my explanation. The next will be Binaro. Time and place goes to you.
We found that blind people understand other types of visual metaphors as well. One blind woman drew a child in the heart was the symbol. She said to show that love surrounds the child. With Chang Hongliu, a doctoral student from China, I have started to explore how will a blind person understand the symbolism behind a heart-like shape that does not directly represent its meaning. We provide a list of 20 words pairs for the subject being viewed and ask them to select each their pair most associated with the circle and the term most associated with a grid. For example, we ask, what is soft fit? A circle or square? Which shape fits hard? All of our subjects perceive the circle to be soft and hard square. 94% said they were happy to circle, not sad. Yet other pairs expressed disagreement. 79% much fast to slow and weak to strong, respectively, and only 51% are connected deep to circle and shallow to square. See Fig 2. When we test for volunteers, total blinds using the same list, we found that their choice were very similar to those made by selected subject. A man who was blind from birth scores were very well. He made only one match that differed from consensus, sticking far to the box and close to the circle. In fact, only a fraction of the visible subject, 53%, he paired far and close to opposite partners. Thus, we consider that is blind to interpret abstract from us seen by people to do. Note of task 2. We have found that blind people are also another type of visual metaphor understanding. Together with Chang Hong Liu, a doctoral student from China, I have started to become insightful. Blind people understand the symbolism behind a heart-like shape that does not directly represent the meaning. We ask, what is the soft fit? A circle or a square? Which shape fits heart? All of our subjects perceive the circle to be soft and a hard square. 94% said that they were happy to circle, not sad. Yet other pairs expressed disagreement. 79% matched fast to slow and weak to strong respectively, and only 51% are connected deep to circle and shallow to square. In fact, only a fraction of the visible subject, 53%, he prayed far and close to opposite partners. Thus, we consider that blind interprets abstract from as seen people do.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Ginaro, for your explanation. Okay, next will be a diagram of that drawn by blind people will be explained by Karin Erlangga. Karin Erlangga, time and place goes to you.
Okay, thank you. I will explain the diagram that have been drawn by blind people. For the first diagram is the drawing with the dotted radius shows the wheel turning rapidly. The second diagram, according to them, the drawing with the toes bent as a sign that the wheel was jerking. The third diagram, according to them, that the diagram with curved spokes indicated that the wheel was turning steadily. The fourth diagram is, according to them, that the diagram with wavy spokes indicated that the wheel was wobbly. The fifth diagram, according to them, a drawing with a radius that extends beyond the circumference of the wheel indicates that the wheel has been brakes.
Thank you, Karin Erlangga. We want to know what the impact on for this assignment for us. The first will be Karin Erlangga.
Okay, thank you. My impact is from this experience, my view of the blind people is changed. Maybe we and them are not that different because we are only human beings who are full of their own flaws. From this experience, my view of the blind people is changed. Maybe we and them are not that different because we are only human beings who are full of their own flaws. We are all the same in God's eyes. Thank you.
Thank you. Ginaro, you explain your impact. Can you explain your impact?
Thank you, Oki. My impact is, therefore, never look at people only from the cover. Everyone has their own strength and weakness depending on what we want to be like later.
Thank you, Ginaro. The impact that I have from this assignment, I learned that the working with other people is not easy. It takes a patience and understanding. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you